Okay, sorry about the mess in the car today, everyone. This is Chuck's DIY. This is my old dash cam. Now, it's a couple of years old now, but the card reader's not working. The rest of it seems to be working. I might be able to fix that. But this comes with two cables. I think one of the cables was, if I remember correctly, one of the cables went to a GPS device, but it just doesn't seem to be what I'm thinking it is. It's going to have to go down through there. And the new one has a single cable, and it's called, accordingly, the black box. This is the black box. So it has a couple of adapters. It has this one here. Now in Australia, this will probably peel off when it comes back to summer again because it's so hot here. We can get up to in the 47s to 50s. In the car, it'll be 50 degrees. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to get that off. And it has another one, which hasn't got a sticker on it, but I'd say you could use that for your rear camera, which is or your blanket, and this rear camera goes somewhere else. Oh yeah, you can just blank it out. That's what it's there for. So if that goes off there, which I can't get it off, or I can get it off, you have to push it really hard. You can plug that on and use as a reversing camera if you can get something that'll go onto that connector here. Like that, but you wouldn't see it very big, it's very small. But yeah, so you got the two, you got your standard type C power. There's a small mic there, and you've got a card reader there, which I'll pop my card in, which was brand new, and it's made by Samsung. It doesn't read in that, but it will read in this. And then I'll reroute the cables. So, and then I'll show you. Happy days. Okay, this is what the black box looks like inside the shed. So you can imagine what it looks like outside the shed. It's unbelievable, actually. And it's got my camera in the view. See? All good. That's it for this one.